Hello guys and welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading. In case you have not subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Well, in the upcoming videos, I'll be covering about support and resistance, especially on candlestick charts, and today's topic is going to be support. Let's understand what is a support with this example. Well, I have drawn a building here, and instead of floors, I have named it as wing 1, wing 2, wing 3. And let's assume you stay in wing 2. Now, what is supporting you so that you don't fall to wing 1? The floor of wing 2 is supporting you so that you don't fall to wing 1. So, this floor, what is stopping you, what is helping you to stand there, we call it as a support. In the same way, if someone is staying in wing 4, there's something which is helping him to stand there. That is the floor again, floor of wing 4. I'll call it as a support. In case he wants to come down to wing 3, he has to break this support and then come down to wing 3. And he'll come probably and stand on wing 3 support. That is nothing but wing 3's floor. So, support is something which helps you stand there. The same thing is with the price. Price also creates support and resistance. In case you see price sustaining at certain level and bouncing back like this particular level, I'll call it as a support. The reason it has stood here and bounced back. Or you can also come across you can also see price coming down, holding on to the certain level and bouncing back. This as well, I'll call it as a support. Or you can also come across this kind of momentum. Price makes a bottom, goes up, makes a bottom again and bounces back. This area, I'll call it as a support. As I had drawn before, now you'll know what is the reason I had drawn something like this. If you remember these three alphabets, U, V and W, it will be easy for you to identify the support. Now let's go ahead and check it out how to find the support. Let's go ahead and check out first with the diagram, then we'll move on to the charts. So I have a diagram here. So if you see here, this point, I call it as a V. As I said you before, you just need to understand three alphabets, that is U, V and W, to find out the supports. This looks something like W, this is U, and here if you see these 3 points from where the prices have bounced back. So I'll just draw a horizontal line here attaching these points, and you can see we have a support here. This is how we create a support. Now next, again in this particular area, you can see the momentum V, this is also kind of V, and this is also kind of W. Now if you see here, this is the place from where the price bounced back. The same is with this and here as well. So I'll just draw a horizontal line connecting almost all points. In case I can't connect 1 or 2 points, I'll just ignore it. In case I can't connect to all points, I'll just ignore the points which I'm unable to connect. Yes, now you can see I have connected to 3 points. Now this is how I draw the other support. If you find just one single point and you don't have any other points, and this particular place as well, the price has bounced back, even this will be a support. Now this is how easy it is to draw support. Now let's go ahead and check out some charts. Let's see how easy it is to identify the supports. Let me go to monthly chart of Prakash Industries. I'll try showing you in different time frames. I've taken this as a monthly chart. Let's just expand this. Now here in monthly chart, you can see some good reversals happening here. This was a point where the price touched and reversed. This is something like a V. This again like a V. This looks like a W, and this again is a V. Now this is the key support what Prakash Industry had, and this recent support was made in 2020 March and April. Now let's go ahead and draw support here, a horizontal line. Well, this entire area from 19 to 28 in the monthly chart becomes a support. The reason, whenever the price has touched this level or entered this level, the prices have reversed back. You can see how beautifully the prices have reversed. Now in case in near future, if price enters this level, there are good chances there can be a reversal again. Now what other support do we have in this particular chart? This area turns out to be a support. The reason, the price came down, bounced back. This also turns out to be a support. You can see here the price came down and bounced back, and here as well there's one more support here because the price touched this level, price fell down and again it has bounced back. I have one more support at this level. Same reason, it has fallen down and then again bounced back. Now these are the key supports what I have identified. And there is one more support. You can check out here. After the price moved up till here, came down, touched this level, and it has given a beautiful bounce on the upside. Now this is how we draw the support. So there's one more. Price came down, there's a big bearish candle, and then it was a bounce. Let me go to Wipro. This is Wipro's weekly chart. I'll just zoom out and see how the price has reacted. I'll draw a support here, somewhere here. Now if you see here, this was a point from where the price had reacted. Again, this is a point it touched. It has bounced back again. Let's find out some other supports. This turns out to be a good support. You can see it has bounced back like this. It has sustained here and bounced back. This as well, turned upside, hit this level. It was something like a W and turned upside. This is also a good level, a good support area. This is also beautiful. You can just check it out. Bounced, touched and bounced, sustained here for a long time, and in future it has broken, touched this level and reversed. We have a support here. You can see how beautifully the prices have reacted. Every time it touched this level, it has given a bounce here as well. There's one more support at this level. The reason you can see, come down, it has bounced back. Here it has sustained, then it has broken and fallen down to next support. There's a new fresh support created here, somewhere near 268 levels. Price came down and then it has been a beautiful rally on the upside. I also have a support here. In this area, you can see it has formed something like a V. So these are the current support, what I have identified on Wipro. This is on weekly chart. Now let's go ahead and check some daily chart as well. Let me go to Bajaj Auto daily chart. This is Bajaj Auto daily chart. I'll zoom in so that I can identify the key supports. Well, for now this is a very good support. The reason, previously it had bounced back from this level, and even today on 3rd November it has touched this level and then reversed back. I have a support here as well. You can see there's a bounce. There's support here. I have one more support here. This was in fact a resistance. Remember one thing, resistance can become support and support can become resistance. I'll explain about this in the next video. There was a support here. You can see the price had fallen down, bounced back upside. Here as well it has fallen down and bounced up. Now let me remove all these drawings and draw again so that it will be easy for you to understand. This was one support, this is the second one, the third, this is the fourth one, fifth support. Now these are the key supports what I have identified on Bajaj Auto. Now let's check out Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. Nifty, let me go to 15 minutes chart. Well, for now let me delete all these drawings. Yes, this is Nifty 50 15 minutes chart, and you can see how beautifully the prices have reversed from this level. Now I can go ahead and draw a support first. Next I see a reversal from this area. See the prices have reversed like this. We have a support here. There was a gap down, touched this level and bounced up. Same thing. Next we have a support here. It has bounced up. You can see in this particular candle as well, touched and bounced up. Now I have one more support. You can see the price bouncing up again, and this level has acted as a resistance here as well. Came to this level. This is today's chart, 3rd November. The prices have moved up. What other support levels we have? I have this level as a key support. Just remove this drawing so that you'll understand. Yes, you can see the prices again retraced down and bounced up. The reason, there was resistance previously. The other support what I have is somewhere here. Now these are the supports what I have got on 15 minutes time frame. There's one support here. The reason I have drawn this, something like this, and you can see here the price had touched this level, again gone up. So these are the key levels what I have now for Nifty, and this is how easily you can draw support. Now I have missed out some supports here. I'll just mark that as well. This is the one and this is the other one. You can see here and you can see here as well. There's one more support at this level, and you can see today entire day price had been trading within this level. Now in case if there is a successful move on the upside, we can see 11,857. Now let's go ahead and check out Bank Nifty chart as well. Okay, these all are zones what I have drawn. I'll explain you about the zones as well in near future. In Bank Nifty, I'll go and check out in 1 hour chart. You can see some support here, some good support here. All the places from where the prices are reversed, I'm just marking that. The reason why I mark support is to identify, we'll have an idea where prices had reversed from. By seeing these areas where the prices have reversed, we identify the support and how useful it is in the near future. In case the price comes down at this particular level, there are good chances it can bounce up, or if this breaks, it can easily come down. So at this particular level, I can take a decision to whether go long. At this particular level, based on candlestick patterns, I can take a decision whether to go long or short. This is how I use support and resistance. Well, that's it for now. If you learned something new and if it was easy to identify support, please go ahead and give a like. And if you are seeing this video for the first time, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you soon in the next video on resistance.